Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to make a sticky header in Elementor for free. In the previous video we saw how to make a header for desktop, tablet and mobile version. Now we are going to see how to make it sticky like this. So if you didn't see the previous video yet, then see the video first by clicking the I button. So I am Asad from WTeach and I will show you how to do that without costing any money. To make a header sticky, there are 3 steps. The first one is creating a header using Elementor. If you can't make the header with Elementor for free, then just watch this video and it will help you to make that easily. Once your header is done, then just go to the second step of this video. The second step is installing a plugin named Sticky Header Effect for Elementor. To do that, just go to the WordPress dashboard by typing the domain name /wp-admin. Then put the username and password, then hit the login button. Then go to plugins and add new. Then here search for Sticky Header Effect for Elementor. This is the plugin which helps us to make our header sticky, because the sticky option of the Elementor is the paid version, but we are not costing any money. So just go ahead and install the plugin. Click on install now. Then click on activate to enable this plugin. Once the plugin is activated, then go to the final step of this video. The final step is to make the header sticky. To do that, just go to your header and click on Edit with Elementor. In my case, it is in a page. So I just opened that page with Elementor. Click on the section icon and go to Advanced. And scroll down, and you can see an option named Sticky Header Effect. Just open that and click on Enable. Now scroll down. Here you can set the scrolling distance. In my case, it is fine. You can make your header transparent over here, but I want to set when I scroll down, then it becomes the darkened transparent background color. So I click on the background color and set the background color dark and make the transparent as medium low. You can play with this option to see how it looks. Then click on update to save the changes. Now if I click on the I button and scroll down, then you can see the result. Also when I scroll down, it becomes dark and transparent. So this is how you can make your header sticky on Elementor for free. Hope you like this video. If you are new here, then subscribe to the channel to get more tutorials like this. Thanks for